want to take you guys on a journey. I am going to show you the official behind the scenes of a GoPro shoot. The accessories that I use, settings. I'm going to throw a few tips and tricks in there for you folk. And I'm going to do it all here in beautiful Western Australia. All right, let's meet the team.
That's why I love FPV. You can do things that are just mind blowing.
Yeah! We have just made it into the very far north of Western Australia. So I've mounted a couple of cameras, suction cups to the vehicle. One up high, one down low, so that we can get some time warps along the way.
We're up here on beautiful Lake Argyle from Kimberley Spirit, and yeah, we're just going for a bit of a burn. Yeah, we'll see some amazing colour changes across the sandstone up here. We'll see some wildlife and take a jump in the water and go for a swim with a few thousand freshwater crocodiles.
You want to try it?
She's always eating. What do we eat?
Good vitamin C. Take a big jump of it.
Very... What did you just give me?
Boab nut.
Why did I trust you?
It's what? A boab.
Boab. This is a boab tree.
Boab nut.
Boab nut.
Day 2, day 3. I feel like I've been in Australia for a little while. Today we're going to go for a little bit of a hike. We've got our guides coming to come pick us up, meet the team. I've been up way too early. I'm still on New Zealand time. Game on! We have just got to Emma Gorge in the Kimberleys, so we're going to go for a walk up to this beautiful little spot. Always running late because I muck around trying to get the shot. So now I'm going to try and catch up.
One of my favourite slow motion stuff, which is 2.2k, 4-3, 120 frames.
So here's a little tip for you folks. Filming in locations that you don't know on the other side of the world can be incredibly daunting. My biggest tip for you with this is work with local tourism guides. The guides know these spots, they live in these places, they have the passion and energy that can go through back into your video. Talk to them, get to know them, it'll change the world for you.
This is my backyard, paradise.
Just about, mate. Awesome. Time for another flight. Where are we off to now?
We are going to Broome.
We're going to Broome. I know I'm going to try and get a time lapse out the window, so as opposed to trying to muck around while I'm on the plane, I will do the mucking around now. I'll take the suction, and I've got one of these little ball joint mounts which I'll put on here. For the time lapse out the window, I'm going to shoot 5K, 4.3, and I'm going to do a time walk of times 30.
it, you better never let it go.
Here's the shot that we have in mind.
Got one shot.
Virgin Australia plane is going to come over top of us. The runway, as far as I can work out, is straight up over there. I'm just going to go out wide and try and get a shot of the plane coming in low as it goes to land. 5K linear, 60. We'll see if that works. That's so exciting, we got the shot! Oh, getting exclusive access out onto the runway so we can film with Virgin Airlines. We're going to film the plane coming in. 5K 87. Does mean I'm going to get a frame grab from there. That'll be a super high res frame grab, so I can do photo and video at the same time. How was that? Easy as. Today, another flight with Virgin. Today we are heading off to Perth. And tomorrow morning we're out on Rottnest Island, which I'm pretty excited about. This is going to be awesome. We're going to get a welcome to country there, which I am absolutely fizzing about.
So welcome to country is now an important part of Noongar culture. This is an ancient ceremony. The old people would have us walking through the smoke because they believed smoke would rebuke all evil spirits. Noongar's European at Nuna Kuli Nicha do Wajamat. We Nuna can Jinnang and near and Burdawan Wanging, but Nuna Jinnang and near. Because what I said was welcome to our land, here on the land of the Noongar people, where the good spirits will walk with you and talk with you and look after you, okay?
So cool. Beautiful. And the sun came out as we're doing it, so that's a good sign. A whole different day. Here we go.
What's that? We're calling it. It's a wrap.
That's a wrap?
That's a wrap. Amazing.
Is this your bye?
Bye.
Bye.
It truly was the dream stay in Western Australia.
Bye. Bye. Bye.